Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. Today, we're back out on our project in Kansas City. A lot of the same stuff we started yesterday, as you saw in that video, getting our steel plates underneath the bottom row of stone of this stone foundation, and that is enabling us to be able to finish the excavation about 2.5 feet inward horizontally underneath it. So once we get all of this dirt excavated, we will come in with our first pour of high strength concrete. It's roughly going to be about 3 feet in height, and once that concrete is fully cured, we'll be able to use that as a platform to put our load-bearing steel plate, then our King Pier on top of that, and two 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks on both sides of the King Pier, all on that load-bearing plate, all on top of that new high-strength concrete pad, and then we'll be able to get this stone foundation raised back up to its correct level elevation. So again, just a lot of extra safety you have to do on these stone foundations. It's not a typical footing on these like a concrete foundation. Not only that, we have a lot of damaged areas of the stone and brick, so we have to make sure everything is properly secured before we even start doing most of the excavation. So we had to do a lot of securing of the brick, particularly in that section that you've seen by the AC units right here. So, and then now that we have the underside of the stone foundation supported, we're able to finish up the excavation of the King Pier 1 holes. So should have this finished up here in the next day or so, and then as soon as we can get concrete out here, which has been kind of a pain the last few months, we'll get that first pour of concrete done, and then the next day we'll be able to get the piers installed, do a final pour of concrete to encase the piers underneath the bottom row of stone, and then after that we will focus on realigning the bowed sections of the stone foundation. Same with the brick. Don't know how well it's going to come across in the video, but you can see we got a lot of bowing in the brick kind of right in this middle part of the wall. I've already tried chipping out a lot of the material there on the brick, just to make sure there's nothing impeding us when we start raising the foundation. So yeah, just all kinds of damage as you work around the foundation. So, but yeah, other than that, King Piers team out here in Kansas City, continuing on the excavation of our King Pier 1 holes. For all your foundation piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always take a look at all of our current and past projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.